Namaste all my beautiful people, welcome to my channel Yogini Chinana. Many of you know me from my Instagram and Facebook, but I just thought of introducing myself on YouTube. My name is Trinana Brahma. I'm a yoga influencer based in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Basically, I'm a dentist and a fitness and wellness coach. I teach Hatha Yoga from basics to advanced level, HIIT home workout, and I cure various ailments through yoga. Let me tell you about my hometown and my family. I'm from Agartala, Tripura, which is in northeastern part of India. My father is an ex-Indian Air Force officer and he has worked in PGCIL. My mother is an ex-teacher and is a social worker. My sister, who is a software engineer living in Bangalore. I'm going to be guiding you all about fitness and diet through my videos. We'll be posting videos on every week, Friday and Sunday. I love cooking, guys, so I might upload videos on that too, and sometimes I might give fashion and beauty tips. Anyways, so today I'm gonna be showing you all 5 Hatha Yoga basic asanas that can help you in everyday life. Let's begin.
The first asana which we are doing is Vajrasana Thunderbolt pose. To do this asana, kneel down on the floor or yoga mat, pull your legs together, do not engage your feet, sit back on your legs as you exhale. Spine should be erect and chin should be straight. Those suffering from gas can practice Vajrasana immediately after meals. It also helps to get rid of back pain, stomach disorder and urinary problems. Practice this asana for 30 seconds. Vithilasana or cow stretch. Come on your fours into tabletop position. Place your wrists underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Balance your weight evenly between all 4 points. Inhale and look forward, feeling the engagement in your belly. This pose stretches and strengthens the spine, helps to regulate breathing, improve postures, and relieve stress and anxiety. Practice this asana for 30 seconds. Marjariyasana or cat stretch. As you inhale in cow stretch, in cat stretch you're going to exhale and round your spine, tuck your chin in the chest. Stay and maintain this pose for a while, breathe in and out. This pose helps in improving flexibility, relieves back and sciatic pain, helps relieving menstrual cramps. Practice this asana for 30 seconds. Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. To do this, lie down on belly, press both hands on the floor, pull your shoulders slightly back, engage your abdominal muscles and try to look up. Don't give stress to your neck, stay for a while, breathe in and out. This pose opens up the heart and the lungs, forms buttock, relieves stress and fatigue and is good for sciatic pain. Practice this asana for 30 seconds. Balasana or the child's pose. This is the last asana which I am showing you all. Slowly press your belly and rest your heart and chest on top of your thighs. Bend forward, keep arms long extended and breathe in and out. Keep relaxing in this pose. This pose really relieves constipation, stretches the spine, hips, thighs, ankles and calms the mind. Practice this pose for 30 seconds.
So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed these asanas. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Fall in love with your body, unite your soul, try the yoga magic. I love you all.